Hello everyone, I'm Christopher and you are watching Christopher Car Brochures. Today we are checking the 2024 Alfa Romeo full lineup. Let's see the first model. The first model that you see is the Alfa Romeo Junior. It's the smallest Alfa Romeo that is being sold right now. It is also the first electric Alfa Romeo that is being sold. The Alfa Romeo Junior is one of the most beautiful cars on its category. In Greece it starts from 28,000 euros, which makes it also very cheap for its category because it's a luxury small crossover. The next model that we see is the Alfa Romeo Tonale. The Alfa Romeo Tonale is actually a Jeep Compass but with an Alfa Romeo design, but it's more beautiful. Here we can see that the Alfa Romeo is also in plug-in variant but also in a business variant with the plug-in version. This is my favorite Alfa Romeo. It is called Giulia. The Giulia is the successor of the 159 and it is more beautiful, and that's the facelift variant. As we can see, the headlights look like the 159. This is the Alfa Romeo Stelvio, which is like the sport wagon version but with crossover style. It has no difference with Giulia. They're very beautiful. That's the quadrifoglio version of Giulia and Stelvio. It has 520 horsepower, 600 Newton meters, and they can do actually 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds. That's the back of the Alfa Romeo Junior, and that's again the logo. So it was a short video, sorry about that. I hope you liked it, and I would like to know which model did you like the most, and tell me what cars would you like to see in my channel. Write in the comments. Thanks, like and subscribe, and see you next time.